from us. We are from SMK Pengerang Utama, Malaysia. Would like to talk about our invention, which is called
Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic.
Fish keeping in the aquariums is one of the hobbies of modern society. There are some individuals who make fishing activities in the aquariums a source of income with them. Fish keeping in the aquariums demands rigorous discipline, especially in the areas of food and water quality management in the aquarium to ensure that the fish can survive. Concerns arise among the fish keeping lovers. Therefore, to overcome this problem, we came up with a great innovation called as Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic, or Smart FFA. The innovation can help to solve the problem of feeding fish irregularities and help to control water quality in aquariums by integrating systems with aquaponic concepts.
Nowadays, people always face problems such as, first, fish keepers do not manage to provide food and water purification routines. There is also lack of rigorous discipline among the fish keepers.
Next, we move on to the literature review. Fish feeders encounter difficulties in feeding the fish and it takes longer time to finish off simple works. Next, the feeding time is not regular and it only focuses on certain areas. Thus, it leads to the irregularities of feeding the fish. Unstandardized feeding time is also a problem to the fish feeders as they need to juggle with other daily routine tasks and most importantly, it's costly. The first objective of this project is to solve the problem of feeding fish irregularities. This project can also help to control water quality in aquariums. Besides, this project is proposed to integrate the aquaculture system.
Now, let us move on to the target users. The target users are fish keepers and the individuals that need proper management to feed the fish so that the quality of water is controlled. The methods that we use for this product are PDCA concept and Ishikawa diagram. We use PDCA concept to measure the effectiveness of our product. It consists plan, do, check and action. We also use Ishikawa diagram to identify the cases that contribute to the issue, which is water quality. The diagram is divided into 6 main components. The attitude of humans who are irresponsible, lack of awareness on the matter, and not following the rules are the factors that contribute to it. The other factors that contribute to the issue is the improper time management. The inefficient disposing method and unorganized feeding time are also the factors that contribute to it. Besides that, the order is also the factors that contribute to water qualities. The materials such as fish excrement and urea are also the factors. The manual management to feed the fish and unsystematic feeding time are also the factors that contribute to water qualities.
Before we start our project, we designed our product in 2 dimensions. The procedure to make Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic is very simple. First, we complete the installation of aquaponic set, then insert servo into a specific box. We connect the servo wire and battery wire to the magnet cord. After that, we set up the magnet cord line via smartphones and launch the setting. The last step is to set up the water pump into the aquaponic set. The Smart FFA is now ready to be used.
Now, let's move on to significant improvement. We are going to compare between the garden fish feeder and our product, which is Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic product. The garden fish feeder cost is high compared to the Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic. The garden fish feeder uses workforce, while our product, which is Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic product, reduce workforce. Therefore, it is very efficient. Next, the garden fish feeder does not apply 3Rs concept, which is stand for reuse, reduce and recycle, while our product, which is Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic product, emphasizes 3Rs concept and green technology. The garden fish feeder also does not use IoT, while our product uses IoT, and that makes a special and difference compared to the current fish feeder product. Lastly, the current fish feeder consumes a lot of electricity, while our product reduces the usage of electricity. Hence, it is automatically save the bill.
Now, I will show you how smart fish feeder and aquaponic works. The aquaponic system is a water flux system that connects through the fish pond to a planting medium. It is made of the water pump, filter, servo, and aquaponic set. The water pump plays an important role in activating the aquaponic cycle. It allows the water that flows to be recycled back to the fish pond. At the same time, it also helps to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes. At the planting medium, the water from the pond that contains organic sources will be absorbed by the plants. Then, the water which has undergone complete the aquaponic cycle will be cleaned up by the filter. Through the process, ammonia and urea secreted by the fish become good fertilizer for the plants to grow. They will absorb all the fish secretion. Furthermore, the combination of aquaponic and electronic technology allows our product to work automatically. The magnet cord uses the Internet of Things IoT platform, which enables the system to schedule the feeding time for fish remotely. Through the magnet cord line, we can use our handphone to schedule the feeding time for fish so it can be functioned automatically. Based on the study that we have conducted, the roots of the plants help to absorb the organic sources and clean up the water. We have done BOD test, which is biochemicals oxygen demand, to find out the quality of the water. We conduct the BOD test once a month in 2 years to record the time taken for the methylene blue solution to decolorize. In the first 4 months, a few hours were taken to decolorize the methylene blue solution. It means that the water quality was not ideal. We realized that there is not enough time for the plants to absorb all the fish secretion. Then we came up with an idea by installing a filter that we formed using simple materials. After the usage of the filter, the time taken for methylene blue solution to decolorize was obviously increased. Based on the statistics, we can conclude that the water quality becomes better.
Let's move on to manufacturing cost. Here, we can see that the current fish feeder cost is higher as the total price needed is Rm1,025 ringgit, while our product, which is Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic product, only cost Rm57 ringgit and 20 cents. Thus, we can see that the Smart Fish Feeder and Aquaponic product cost is low and it emphasizes more 3Rs concept compared to the current fish feeder product.
Next, we're moving on to the marketing potential. There are 6 things that Smart FFA can do. First, it saves time. Second, it's adapting 3R concept. Third, is to preserve flora and fauna. Fourth, it is to maintain the quality of the water. Fifth, it is to ease the work of the fish feeder. And sixth, it is to produce 2 types of food sources to human, poultry and vegetables. The product of Smart FFA has variety of functions, which are: first, reducing electricity bills; second, reducing workforce; and lastly, to maintain or standardize feeding time. The product of Smart FFA also has its own specialty. First, it uses IoT or Internet of Things platform. Second, it uses 3R concept since the product uses minimum usage of electricity. And third, the fish excrement is used for fertilization for plants. The use of Smart FFA is also expected to help speed up the process of feeding the fish and indirectly maintain water quality to ensure the fish can live healthier lives. The system is also expected to save time, cost, and energy as the system runs smoothly and systematically.
Smart FFA promotes
Green technology,
low cost,
and intelligence. Thank you.